Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I'm now going to do a live withdraw for Crypto Tab browser. There are so many videos in YouTube telling that it takes forever to withdraw. It's because they do things basically completely wrong. You need to open their own wallet so you don't have this problem. You need to open the ANSI wallet. You see the one that you see up in the menu up there. You see add pool miner, you see support, affiliate dashboard, and to the left there you see ANSI wallet. Open this wallet and you can send it to any other wallet after, and it costs you zero to do it, and why not? So I will now show you how efficient this is, and if you get enough money I will even add a pool miner live so you can see how we do that. So let's see, but first let's withdraw this money we have here now. I'll now show you to do that. And you can see I'm mining with quite much power. You see I have all this. My strategy is very simple. Every time I reach up to the level of buying a pool miner for the money I'm withdrawing, I will then add a new one. But let's see if you have enough after. So now let's withdraw this money here now. This we do over here on the main. You can see we have two different, you see. Here you can see the pool mining, and here you have the original setup, you can say. So let's go to withdraw, BTC, we go there. We come to the withdraw page, we cancel this. Here you see we are withdrawing to our ANSI wallet. We will take all the amount. I am not a robot, and withdraw. We don't need to confirm nothing. Something did go wrong here. We don't have enough BTC. Let's go back. Something is wrong here now. Of course, because I'm making a video, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see what happened. We go here, we go there, we go to withdraw BTC. Let's see what's going on. Current withdraw request. Let's see payment history. No, it's confirmed. Okay. Then let's wait. I don't know why this message came up, but it's at least confirmed here now. And you see priority. That is because you're using an ANSI wallet. If you use any other wallet, because it's so expensive to sell Bitcoin, understand? So if you use another wallet, they need to wait till the price of sending out is cheaper. So that's why if you use the ANSI wallet, you get the money very fast. So now, in short time, will come this mark here. That means it's completed, and the money should be here in our wallet. So let's see here now. We just need to wait. Let's do a reload. Still not sent. Like that, this typically take around 2 minutes. Let's do a reload. While we wait, let's check the price for a pool miner. Let's add pool miner, then we have idea if we can do that after. If it's around 23, I do it. 23, 43, maybe if you're lucky, we have enough. It's within my price range. Let's see. Let's go to payment, let's do reload. We have a slightly chance we can have enough after. It's still not sent. So basically my plan is to buy a new 75. Let's see, we are sending 7.5. If you go to my wallet, let's see here now. There, it comes. You see? So if we now go to payments, we can do a reload. There you see priority. That is how fast it is to withdraw now. So now we can see that this money is available here, 23.64. That means we do have enough to pay for a new miner. So let's push that now, add a new miner. Exactly enough, we can do that. 75, 1 month. Let's go next. Then what we do, I want to use USDT. we choose Polygon because that is almost free to send. 23.58. Do we have that? Let me check. Yes, we have. We have exactly enough. Let's push pay. We accept. Then what we want to do, we pay with the NC wallet. This I will remove from the video. So just then we can, I'm in here. Let's see. For a strange reason, seems like cost a lot to send something right now in the Polygon network. Typically it's like cents. That means we will not be able to buy any contracts today. I see the maximum we can use now is 16, so how much is that? 23.57 minus 16. Wow, costs $7 to send right now. So that means no, we are not going to upgrade a contract because we basically don't have enough money, and I would not have done, by the way, because when it costs so much, I don't do it. I only like to, if it costs like $1 to send, then I do it. It looks like it's much pressure on the networks right now, on Polygon and all these other networks, Ethereum and all this. So it's better we stay away today. But by the way, that is how easy it is. So if I had now, I just push send and I would have this contract. But like I said, we don't have any capability to do that now. So we keep this money safe in our wallet. And if we go back here now, let me see. You see, we basically have $0 because I withdraw everything. But at least you can see how fast it is to withdraw your money. So this video did not turn out exactly as I wanted. I wanted to do an upgrade, but that's cost so much to pay right now, we can't do it. So let's see tomorrow if I can buy a pool mining then. But for now, there you see how fast and easy it is to withdraw from CryptoTab, and when the money is here, you can send it wherever you want. And they don't control this in the matter of withdrawing things. This goes directly wherever you want it. So it's a normal wallet that they just control, but we can send our money right away to Binance or wherever in a few seconds. So this is how you withdraw money from CryptoTab browser, the fast way and the easy way, and you see came in just a couple of minutes. So have an amazing day.